So I'm still working on my faucet. The problem what I had is these holes are too big. These holes are too big for the soap dispenser, and of course this, and I thought I should have done this before I even ordered the faucet, because I already had this faucet. I didn't have this one. I had to return this one, but anyway, and my sink, but quit. So it was just too big. So this is what I did. I took a milk jug thing, and I had, I could have run, and I had these, these magnet things you get in the junk mail. I went and pulled it out of the garbage. Well, I have a lot coming in. So I made a washer because I couldn't fit any other washer. Well, this is for the other one. I'm going to do the same thing for the water filter because it was leaking, and you don't want that. You don't want that. I mean, I just put it up for one day. I mean, the hard part is taking it out and doing it alone. If you have a second person, it's so help. This thing is heavy. I stand on a chair and then put it up. I mean, this thing is heavy. But so I cut this to make a washer, and then I used a plumbing part. This came out of the plumbing here, and it fits just perfectly to kind of seal this. You see? So I think I forgot it's 1.5, 1/4, 1.5, here. The size, I mean, next, and I'm sure I'm not the only one who's going to have this problem. The diameter is bigger, and even if you cut it, even if you get, like, I'm going to cut my own holes, you're going to make a mistake. So I was just like, if you're so good, then that's perfect, but not everybody is, trust me. And then I took a Sharpie, and so I'm going to put this in because both of my things that are going in the hole are much smaller. So I'm going to make this. Well, this one comes with it. This one comes with this faucet. So I'm going to make some of these and try to put them back so it doesn't go in or water doesn't leak. And the other problem I had, and I was watching YouTube videos, it was leaking, and there's a solution for that. And that's the reason I pulled it out, and then I realized maybe I should fix these. So what I did, I took a milk jug thing, the plumbing part, and it is going to seal very well. And then I'm going to put this that comes with it. So hope it helps somebody. No matter what, even if you're drilling your own, and I guess I should have done that initially, and I said 3 holes because I only need 3 holes. Soap, I don't need lotion here, soap, water, drinking water. So anyway, I hope it helped.